This is Mateo with WTI, and I want to talk to you about this awesome back support belt strap. In my work, I have to lift a lot of heavy things all the time, so I use this guy all the time to feel safe when I'm doing it. I really like that it has these adjustable straps depending on how tight you want the belt to be. The material is not heavy at all. It's actually very breathable. I've used this for like 3-4 hours straight, and of course I sweat, but it's definitely not uncomfortable at all. Right away you can feel that it's very comfortable. You can feel that your back is already in a better posture, which I think it's amazing to feel that when you're working. So if you're looking for a very affordable, good quality strap that supports your back when you're working, check this one out, and that is my point of view.